The clown-spotted Leporinus, Leporinus nijsseni, is arguably one of the most attractive species in the Leporinus family. These fish are becoming popular in the fish-keeping hobby thanks to their vibrant coloration and less aggressive nature compared to other Leporinus such as the black-banded Leporinus. The clown-spotted Leporinus can make an excellent community fish in a well-researched aquarium. However, it is essential to bear in mind that they can reach relatively large sizes of up to 18 centimeters, so they will require an appropriate sized aquarium. In addition, this fish is remarkably hardy and highly active. An aquarium with a tight-fitting lid would be advised, as the clown-spotted Leporinus are excellent jumpers and can jump long distances. The clown-spotted Leporinus is generally peaceful with fish of similar size. However, adults may be somewhat territorial with one another. In addition, they can be fin nippers, so you will need to choose their tank mates carefully. This fish has an elongated body, an arched back and a narrower tail. Its body is a yellowish gold colour that displays scattered differently sized black spots. The dorsal, pectoral and caudal fins are transparent. The pelvic fin in some individuals has an orangey yellow hue, and the anal fin can match the body colours. The ideal aquarium for this particular fish would comprise a sandy bottom with lumps of rock and pieces of driftwood. The clown-spotted Leporinus sometimes swim head down, continually grazing on the algae. If no algae are present, they will nibble on the leaves of delicate plants, so you should avoid maintaining them in a planted aquarium. The clown-spotted Leporinus is native to the Suriname and Saramacca river basins in French Guiana and Suriname in South America. These fish inhabit fast-flowing rocky waters and will typically migrate into flooded forest areas during the rainy season. When the water declines, some fish can be stranded inland in lakes and ponds. In the home aquarium, the clown-spotted Leporinus will readily accept most good quality dried foods such as granules, flakes and sinking pellets. These modern food products have been developed to provide all adequate nutrition to maintain your fish's health and dietary requirements. Providing additional foodstuffs such as live, frozen and freeze-dried meals such as bloodworm, daphnia and tubifex once or twice a week will provide additional benefits to your fish's health and well-being, but it is not a must for this fish. This fish will happily accept and gorge itself on bloodworm. However, it should be noted that bloodworm should only be given as an occasional treat and should not be used as a staple diet, as they are difficult for fish to digest and can potentially cause blockages. When it comes to sexual dimorphism, it is tricky to differentiate between male and female clown-spotted Leporinus. The only noticeable difference is that the adult females are rounder-bellied than males.
Bloopers.
The spotted Leporinus sometimes swims head down, continually grazing on... Did that sound right? The spotted Leporinus... No. In the home aquarium, the clown-spotted Leporinus will readily... In the home aquarium, providing additional foodstuffs such as live, frozen and freeze-dried... Oh, that's a mouthful. Thanks for watching.